Good morning and welcome to GrainTV. Today is June 20th, 2012. To my left is Logan Burgess and I'm Brock Shimbano. Grains are trading mixed this morning on the heels of a large rally yesterday. Logan, what are we seeing?
Yeah, well, people are really keeping their eyes on the weather right now. And if we take a quick look at here at this precipitation map provided by NOAA, you can see that we did get some pretty decent precipitation in South Dakota. But really what the area that the trade is going to be watching here is Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana. You know, we've seen crop conditions really tank in Illinois and Indiana in terms of good to excellent rating here. So they're really in some need of some precipitation there. That should be supporting the grains here some in the early going here. We just had the pits open. Let's hop over to fire tip here and see how the trade's responding.
Old crop corn is actually up 2 cents right now. New crop is down 5 3/4. Old crop beans are up 9 3/4 cents. New crop beans up 4 1/4. Wheat in Chicago down 3 1/2. Kansas City wheat off 4 1/4 cents this morning. And look at that dollar index. That's actually selling off just a little bit more this morning.
Yeah, the dollar index continues to move lower here. You know, yesterday and today we do have the Federal Reserve in their Federal Open Market Committee meetings here. At these meetings is the time when they're going to either make announcements or hint at possibility of QE3. That's going to devalue the dollar and support commodity prices. So it looks like some people may be trading out of the dollar here on concerns that that announcement of QE3 might be coming down the pipe here. As you can see here, we've traded lower really here over the last couple weeks or so. Looks like we're finding some support here by this 50-day moving average. You know, if QE3 isn't hinted at today, out of the FOMC meeting, expect the dollar index to find some bidders there on the heels of that news. Let's hop over here at a July corn chart, though. Kind of interesting chart landscape shaping up there, huh?
Yeah, we did. You know, last week we did find some support in the 580 area. That's held support a couple times in the last several weeks. We have rallied off of that area. We're heading towards a overhead resistance from a trend line drawn off of highs made back in late March or so.
Right.
So that's something we're going to have to pay attention to. But something I did notice on this chart is that we did move above the 50-day moving average there, coming in at about $6 or so. So that's key technical area that we did get past in the last couple sessions. We have had a nice rally, but I think we're going to see some consolidation over the next couple periods or so.
All right. Well, you know, something certainly driving the trade today will be the minutes from that FOMC meeting. When those are released today, we will be tweeting about those at GrainTV is where you can find us. That kind of wraps up our show here for Wednesday morning on GrainTV. Thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great rest of your day.